All right, so this is our Irish Red tasting. This is the all grain.
Buddy. How you doing today?
Getting medium to medium light body. Caramel, a little bit of toffee.
Okay.
Spicy, kind of herbally hop.
I was here last week for the first
But
time.
a nice solid Irish red ale. That was the all grain kit. All right, I get maltiness. Soft caramel. Hops there, it's dry finish. Completely drinkable for 10 minutes of contact time. When we put all the ingredients together, this is crazy. This makes good beer. Cheers. All right, tasting of the extract kit. A little bit darker, a little bit more caramel, more toffee. A little bit lighter mouthfeel, which is interesting because it was so viscous going in. But the spicy hop is there. And other than being a little bit darker and lighter bodied, it's still a decent Irish red ale. So that's the extract kit. So I have to tell you, I feel like I'm biased because I prefer the all grain more because of the mouthfeel. However, the Flash Brew to me is amazing. For the contact time, it's 10 minutes and you're actually making a decent beer. So if you're pressed for time or if you're just gonna have a picnic and you need to get a bunch of beers ready because you're having a bunch of friends over and they're just gonna be drinking beer and not critiquing and judging and all, you know, being beer snobs about it, it actually made a wonderful beer for the amount of time that you need to invest into it. So I say give Flash Brewing a try. If you're new to home brewing, oh my gosh, Flash Brewing is a great way to start. And then you can ease your way into either extract or all grain or whatever you prefer. All right, so we did take these 3 beers to Club, Beer Barons of Milwaukee. And what happened was I told them what the different formats were, but I did not tell them which beer was which. They'd have to come find me and meet me at the jockey box and guess which one was which. So I did let them know that one was all grain, one was liquid malt, and one was the Flash Brew. The results are the all grain did the best, but there were a lot of people that really liked the Flash Brew, and then the liquid malt came in at the end. So if you are wishing you can taste these, you're in luck. So what you can do is if you live in southeastern Wisconsin or Milwaukee Metro, you can just head over to TrueBru homebrew shop, and that's in New Berlin, Wisconsin, and I'll pop up a little picture of their door and address for you. Or if you're going to be in the area, this is the end of January 2025, and you're going to be in the area, head over there, taste them, it's free, and then if I were you, I'd pick up the kit that you like best. Thanks a pint for watching.